Hello students and colleagues, I'm here with an important announcement regarding the laptops in 505 and the MacBooks in 301. We are now establishing a formal process for checking the devices in and out when you need to remove a device from a lab. If you are using any of the devices during the duration of a period with your teacher, there's no reason to sign a device in or out. Only when you need to remove a device from a lab will you have to then check it out. For example, if you need to use a computer in maybe the library or you want to take it to another classroom and work, you then need to check out the device. So here's the process for checking them out. First, find an available device on the cart. Notice that each device has a number. Find the number of the device that you're using, and then go to the kiosk that's sitting on top of the cart. First step is to enter your last name. Only last name is required. The next step is going to ask you, are you checking the device in or out? So in this case, we're checking it out. You'll proceed to the next step. The next step is going to show you all of the available devices for you to check out. In this case, we have number 7, so we're going to find number 7 from this list and we're going to place a check next to that number. If you have multiple devices, then you can check multiple numbers. And then you'll submit the form, and that will complete the checkout process. You're good to go. You can take your device and leave the lab. When you are returning the device, make sure you take it back to the correct lab, and then find the number slot that matches the number on the device. So if I have number 7, I'm going to find slot number 7. I'm going to put the computer back into that slot. And then very important, take the wire and please charge the device. Make sure it's charging when you return it. So that's so important for the next person who decides to use the device. And then you're going to repeat the process. Now you're going to check the device back in. So back to the kiosk, enter your last name, then say that you're checking a device in, and then you'll proceed to the next screen, and it's only going to show you now the devices that are out. And so it will only show you the devices that you can check in. In this case, I see number 7, so I'm going to check in number 7, and I'm going to submit the form, and now I've completed the check-in process, and now you are done. The device is being charged, you can leave, and the process has been completed. So that's the new process for checking in and out devices from the labs in 301 and 505, and we thank you for your cooperation.